Oh, good job. Good. You gotta lay there you go. Good. Okay, now let me just do the bottom. Boy, you come a long way from the last time.
Oh, yeah. That tickles?
Tickle. Yeah, tickle, tickle, tickle.
Open up wide. Ah.
There you go. Good job. Yeah.
Awesome.
Oh, yeah. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in front of you.
Does that tickle?
There you go. There you go. You know what? I have a magic shawl. You can actually close them if you want to. Okay? We're going to close on it. There you go. Go.
Suck on it. Oh.
Okay, let me tickle your teeth, okay?
All right, lay down. Some more tickling.
Just the last part, okay? And then I'm going to wake you up.
Tickle, tickle.
There you go.
It tickles.
Now, wasn't that easy?
Oh, your teeth are going to be so beautiful.
Now I'm going to let Dr. Trey know we're ready, okay?
All right.
Awesome. Yay.
Are you ready to see Dr. Trey, Layton?
Yay.
You ready to see Dr. Trey?
Yeah.